This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by putting on a thin, seamless undershirt to protect skin and reduce pressure points. Once done, loosen every strap and open the front panels completely so the brace lays flat. Make sure you are in an upright seated or standing position. Posture matters because the brace locks your torso. Use a mirror to confirm symmetry. If the brace is skewed now, it will cause discomfort later. These first steps let you position the brace accurately and safely. You now place the posterior shell centered on your back, lining it with the spine so it supports midline vertebrae. This reduces rotation and uneven pressure. Then bring the anterior shell forward, making sure it cradles the lower ribs and pelvis without pinching. Close the side panels to create a snug frame, and then fasten straps sequentially from bottom to top to distribute compression evenly. Make small adjustments. If one strap feels much tighter, loosen and rebalance so the force is uniform. You finish by tightening straps until the brace feels firm yet comfortable, enough to restrict harmful motion but not so tight it causes numbness. Next, test in functional positions. Stand, sit, take a deep breath, and gently bend 10 to 20 degrees to ensure the brace limits motion without cutting circulation. If you feel hot spots or rubbing, stop and add thin padding, recenter the shell, or adjust the undershirt. This troubleshooting step prevents skin breakdown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.